Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Bryan with the Bound Web Design here with another Squarespace tutorial for you. Today we're going to be talking about a feature that Squarespace actually doesn't have and how to work around that. We're talking about backing up your website. So Squarespace doesn't actually back your website up for you, and so if you were to ever mess up, you change something in your website, change several things, you hit save, it's there. You can't go back to a previous version of the website. And so the workaround for that is to create a backup of the website yourself. So I'm going to take you over my screen and I'm going to show you step by step how to do that. Once again, on my demo website here for the purposes of this tutorial. And this is something that's going to be, this is super simple to create the backup of your website, but it's not if you don't know where to look. So here in the demo website, there's not anywhere in the demo website here that you can actually do this. So what you have to do is actually go back out into your dashboard. So I'm going to click on my logo down here to go back out to my dashboard. And I've got some pin projects there at the top here, but go down to the demo website here. And I could actually, this is one of my pin projects. If it's one of your pin projects, you can do the same thing with clicking the three dots in the pin projects. But if you don't, three dots right here out to the right of the website, click those, and you're going to just simply click duplicate website. You'll click it again, duplicate again, and you'll see up at the top here, it's copying the content, finalizing, and then you should be able to scroll to the bottom and find this. If not, what you may have to do is refresh your screen, and then once again scroll to the bottom, and there it is. And then once you go into this, right now it's named demo website copy. What you can do is once you go into it, you could, it asks you, it gives you some prompts here, name, site name. And what you can do is actually change the name there. Actually, we could leave it copy and then give it a date. So the date of when I'm recording this right now is 12 13 24, and just put that all in the parentheses there, and then hit enter to continue, to continue, to continue, get started, and then go back out into your dashboard, and you see you have the copy right there. And so it'd be a good idea to do this after any big changes that you make to your website, and then you have the date there with it. And so if whenever you're making the next set of changes, something messes up and you need to go back to the previous version, you have that copy made. And so, that, or you could set a reminder on your phone or something like that to, ever so often, every month, 2 weeks, something every 2 months, however often you felt was made sense, you could go in and make a backup of your website just to make sure that everything is safe and that you always have that, the security of that backup in your dashboard. So if you found that helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tutorials like this one. And if you'd like me to build your website for you, you can find my contact information in the description below.